Your brain is a masterpiece of efficiency, but it has a dark secret. Right now, as you listen to these words, a massive neurological network is working behind the scenes to make sure you do as little as possible. You think you control your focus, your goals, and your daily choices. But the real answer is far stranger. Your mind is actively sabotaging your ambition, and it has been doing so for millions of years. Think about the last time you sat down to work on a major project. You knew it was important, you had the time, and you genuinely wanted to finish it. Yet, within 5 minutes, you found yourself cleaning your desk or scrolling through social media. Why does this happen? Dr. Daniel Kahneman, a pioneer in behavioral economics, discovered that your brain operates on two distinct systems. System 1 is fast, automatic, and incredibly cheap to run. System 2 is slow, deliberate, and consumes massive amounts of metabolic energy. Whenever you try to think deeply, analyze data, or plan for the future, your brain registers this as a massive resource drain. It hates this. To save energy, it constantly tries to force you back into System 1, making you choose the easiest, most repetitive task available. This is not a design flaw, it is a survival mechanism. For 99% of human history, calories were scarce, and every single joule of energy mattered. If your ancestors spent all day overthinking abstract problems, they ran out of physical energy to hunt, gather, and flee from predators. Dr. Raichle mapped this energy conservation system and named it the default mode network. It is a highly active circuit that turns on the moment you stop doing a specific task, pulling your mind into a state of daydreaming and low-effort processing. Your brain is essentially a biological battery that is deeply terrified of running out of power. Because of this, it developed what evolutionary psychologists call the principle of least effort. If there are two ways to achieve the same result, your mind will automatically choose the path that burns fewer calories, even if that path is worse for your long-term future. This creates a bizarre modern paradox. We no longer live in a world of calorie scarcity, yet your biology is still trapped in the Pleistocene epoch. When you choose a short, algorithmically curated video over a dense textbook, your brain celebrates. It thinks it just saved you from starvation by avoiding mental exertion. Dr. Gloria Mark at the University of California found that our modern attention spans have dwindled to just 47 seconds precisely because digital platforms are engineered to cater to this evolutionary laziness. So, what does this mean for your life today? It means that procrastination is not a moral failure or a lack of willpower. It is simply an ancient energy-saving script running on modern hardware. The next time you find yourself avoiding a difficult task, remember that your brain is just trying to protect you from a famine that ended thousands of years ago. It is a masterpiece of efficiency, but it has a dark secret.